This is the heartbreaking reality of flooding in Lagos. After hours of heavy rain, children had to be pulled from flooded homes to safety. For many families, what started as another rainy day quickly became an emergency. As floodwaters rose, rescuers and neighbors stepped in to help those trapped. Behind every rescue is a family facing uncertainty, hoping simply to make it through safely. Our thoughts are with everyone affected by the floods across Lagos. Stay safe, avoid flooded areas where possible, and follow guidance from emergency authorities.